Regardez-nous. Look at us. Regardez drapeau-nous. Look at our flag. Soukez drapeau-nous. Shake our flag. Balancez drapeau-nous. Wave our flag. Tiens drapeau-nous. Hold our flag. Embrassez drapeau-nous. Hug our flag. Hold drapeau-nous. Kiss our flag. Yo pas fait pour nous. Yo pas fait pour nous. We have to do it. Tell them why we do it. Since our revolution, we learned to love us. First Black Republic shows exactly that. First on the map of freedom fighters. First on the map of pioneers. You remember the Battle of Her Tears? We were that movement that brought the world to tears. We led the way. We paved the way. And we are still the way. And after we bust our behind throughout history, fighting alongside this, that, and the others army, making you crush the very head of the enemy, we get to be told we're from a blank hole country.
Inside? Hey, hey!
Oh, no.
No.
No, we are not from a blank hole country. We are from history making IET, the country that wouldn't take no blank. Check your records of 1804. We had Jean-Jacques Dessalines and Toussaint Louverture. The facts don't lie. And if it wasn't printed before, well, hello Google.
Me, tell them.
So when I say wave your flag, I'm reminding you to stand tall. I'm reminding you to stand proud. I'm reminding you to keep your eyes to the skies and mind on the prize. For we are a great people, and we are still here. We are number one. So sway, rattle, shake up, and wave your flag high. Make it thunder! Make it thunder! Make it thunder! For the bleu et rouge, no man shall asunder.
Maybe Utefeld. It's going on. But good job.